Hello everyone, welcome back with Microsoft Excel basic tutorials how to make a graph. Okay, for example in here I will create a simple tables. First I will set into day 1, next day 2, day 3, and day 4. The other columns I will set into number. Okay, you can set in here like 5, 2, 6, and 8. Now you can create tables, border, and then I will set into mid points. You also can set in here into yellow, and I will set in here into blue. Okay. Now if you want to make graph from these tables, you can select in count in here. The next you can go to insert, and in chart in here, for example, I will use this example chart. Okay, we can use this option. The next you can click plus icons, so we can add, like we can set into axis titles. You can double click in it. We can set into number, and the other we can set into days. Okay. You also can set the other options for chart. Okay, like I will set into this chart to be automatically changed, or you can create another chart. Okay, you can go to insert again, and we can set into 3D. This for 3D. The next you can edit for titles. You can check for this axis titles, and we can set in here into number, and in here we can set into days, and we can set again the other options. We can use this option, and you can click offset to apply. So that's it, how to create a graph with Microsoft Excel. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.